Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Z85 Max Smartwatch, an outdoor style smartwatch loaded with sports, health, and with the Bluetooth call feature. On this video, we are going to pair it with its support app, and we will connect it with our Android smartphone. So if you are interested to see on how to pair the Z85 Max Smartwatch with its support app, watch this video. And again, if you find this video tutorial useful, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin the pairing or the connection of the Z85 Max Smartwatch with the Android smartphone, and of course with its support app. This smartwatch, okay, do have a QR code here. So connect. Okay, so we have a QR code. The QR code in the user manual is also available. There's no QR code here on the packaging. It's only available on the user manual. And of course the smartwatch. If we scan the QR code, it will lead you to a website. Let me show it to you. So here is the website if you scan the QR code. So the support app is RDFit, and it is available on Google Play Store and App Store. So let's tap on this one. Let's see. So we do have here the RDFit. Over 5 million plus downloads. So let's install the support app for our Z85 Max Smartwatch. Tap on install. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. We'll skip this one. So 69.61 MB. Okay, very lightweight support app for your Android smartphone. 58%. So we'll just wait for it to finish, and it will directly install it on our smartwatch. 88%, 92%, and we're done. So it's now installing. Okay, so the installation, the downloading and installation is finished. So let's open the RDFit app and pair it with our Z85 Max Smartwatch. Tap on open. So we have here privacy policy. Agree to continue. Then we are already here on the dashboard. On the bottom part, we have the at least 3 main menu: homepage, device, and me. To pair your smartwatch, tap on device. So device unbound, scan the device. So let's tap on the scan. So we have here the permission. Just tap on next. Allow only this time. So allow RDFit to find connect. Okay, allow. Then the support app will now scan the smartwatch. As you can see here, we already have it here, the Z85 Max Smartwatch. So let's pair our smartwatch. So tap on the Z85 Max. It will now try to connect with our smartwatch. It's now synchronizing data. Okay, Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. And I guess we are connected. So synchronization completed. So let's try. Let's check. So 100%. Take photo. Let's tap on find device. And we have here our smartwatch, as you can see. So we are connected with the Z85 Max Smartwatch. Next, let's try to have the basic setup for the Z85 Max Smartwatch. So let's go with the notifications. Okay, in order to use the app reminder, normally you need to obtain notification permission. So let's look for the RDFit. Where's the RDFit? We have it here. Activate. Allow. Okay. Turn off notification access for RDFit. RDFit do not disturb access will also be turned off. Okay, we'll just cancel it. Then go back. Okay, this is just an ad. Then let's activate phone call. Next, permission again. Allow RDFit to access your phone call logs. We'll allow it. Allow RDFit to access your contacts. Make and manage phone calls. And that's it. SMS. Next, allow again the permission. If you don't like to receive notification, you can deactivate this. Then let's activate some of the apps here. Instagram, Facebook, Skype, Line. We have a Viber here, and that's it. Go back. Okay, take photo. Will not activate that one. So we have reminder, vibration, and screen illumination. Okay, that's it. Heart rate monitoring. Okay, will not activate the always on or the continuous monitoring. Weather contacts, let's add one. Let's try to add. Import. We'll just import. Okay, import. And let's add the number of SAM. Save. Let's check it here. Call, contacts, and we have the number of SAM here. So I guess we already activated or set the basic setup or functionality of our Z85 Max Smartwatch. And so far, as you can see, it is stable. It is connected to the Support App or the Fit App on Android. It's also available on iOS platform. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup or the connection pairing of the Z85 Max Smartwatch with its Support App, drop a comment below. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.